Hello guys, today we are going to explain about merge column techniques in Power BI. So you can see now I am in Power Query Editor window. So you can navigate to this editor window while clicking transform icon in Power BI dashboard, Power BI app, then it will pop up to this window. Okay, now I'm going to merge contact first name column and contact last name column. So while merging these columns, it consider selection order of two columns or three columns. In here I select first name column initially, then I select last name column. So it will consider the order of my selection. Since then, the first record should be qua u in merge column. Okay, now I am going to merge this column. In here, I select merge column icon, then it will pop up a window. Then they ask what are the separators. There are different kind of separators, but I used space as separator between these two values in these two columns. So also you can give a name for merged column. Okay, now I select OK. Then you can see that two columns are ignored right now. Instead of these two, you can see merged column. The koi part is coming as prefix because I select first name initial. Then u part is coming as suffix because I select last name as suffix. Since then it give us the entire name in this order. In the left pane you can see applied steps. Now I am going to remove this applied merge column step. Then dataset will remove this merge column and it will give contact last name and first name as previously we see. Okay, now I am going to merge these two columns, but this step I select last name initially, then select first name. So let's see what should be the merged column value. Here I select space. Okay, now you can see u yu coming as prefix, then y part is coming as suffix because I select last name column initially, then I select first name column, then it consider that order to give merge columns, since then we can see u y in this first record at merge column step. Okay, now I am remove this step also in applied steps. Okay, now I am going to merge these two columns as first step. We have done. Okay, now I am select first name initially, then last name.